John McBean with Scottish Fitness here, doing a real quick dinner. So I always talk about my breakfasts and about the amount of calories and protein and everything. So today I'm throwing a quick dinner together. I won't do the entire one, but I'm going to show you the meat presentation. So I did get to go to the local Hy-Vee and pick up some really good deals on meat. They had their truckload sale. So this is what I grabbed for dinner, which is pork chops. Always rinse them off. We're going to do a light flouring on them. Then I'll be cooking them in grease or in oil. But as we stated before, we're staying away from the seed oils. Seed oils are actually not good for your cholesterol, and they also are not good for your testosterone levels. So, a little research I did, they said you're best going with either coconut oil, olive oil, or avocado oil. I'm always picking up olive oil from different areas. I do have it mixed with some vegetable oil, some not a seed oil. So basically what I do here is I flour everything, gives it a good base, and locks the flavor in. And spices are pretty much just salt and pepper and some chicken spices, which have a lot of red pepper or paprika in it. Each chop is about easily 40 grams of protein. We'll put a vegetable dish with this. And then sometimes when we're really hungry, we'll add baked potatoes. But we did eat later in the afternoon with tuna sandwiches, so I really don't need the amount of extra calories, but I've already consumed them. And the trick is to don't burn the oil. So, nice Saturday, spent the day going out shopping, getting food for the week. Got my Fairlife milk, picked up 4.5 gallons. So I should be good until Monday. Probably will pick some more up Monday. And I go through about 2 of those almost a day. We had to pick up regular milk because it wasn't available. So just real quick, Saturday evening, I wanted to kind of catch up with everybody. Make sure that you're getting the nutrition in. Make sure you get plenty of rest tonight. Sunday is usually a light leg day for me, and just a day of rest. You need those. I take 2 days at least a week, sometimes 3, sometimes only 1. It really depends how I feel. I had a huge workout Monday, Tuesday, Thursday. So Sunday I'll go back in and do some squats. So if you have any questions, like to see any sort of things covered in the nutrition chat and that, I'll definitely zero in on it. Remember, protein, clean calories, aminos, vitamins and minerals, rest, and put the time in the gym. So this is going to be a short one. Got everything cooking. Trust me, it'll come out really good. And what I'll do is maybe I'll try to load up a thumbnail for it later on. Alright, so John McBean Scottish Fitness out. Thanks for joining us.